Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to install shortcut video editor in Kali Linux. So the first thing you will do, you're gonna go to www.shortcutapp.com/download/ and then you can find that link under my description, and then you copy it, and then when you're inside the page, you go and save the file. In my case I already have it. I've already downloaded it. So you download that file and then come and extract it. After extracting it, you will find it there, and then you go back, and then now you open your terminal. After opening your terminal, then you will have to run these commands, all of them step by step. Now you're opening your terminal and following the steps below. The first one, sudo apt library install what, and then you paste it, password, and then I've already installed them, and then you have to install the repository, and then for some of you, it might give you an error. If it gives you an error, this one, sudo add apt repository command not found, then you must start by installing software properties, and then sudo apt get install software properties command, and then sudo apt get update, and then if there's no errors, then you can proceed. Then now you can update and upgrade your PC same time. Then this command, it might output different output, might show a different output depending on our problems, which problems I have in my PC, the dependencies and repositories and whatever. And then after updating and upgrading, now you will have to install the shortcut, and then after it's done, paste the sudo install shortcut, or you can simply type it, and then after it's done here, that's when you can type in shortcut and you'll be opening it, or you can go through your apps and then search it there, and then you've got your shortcut software. If you want to install it, if you want to uninstall it, then you can follow the command below, sudo apt remove shortcut and sudo apt auto remove. That's it. When it's done installing, you can type in shortcut. Note there's no R, it's only shortcut with no R, and then there you go, you've installed your shortcut software. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe and like for more.